Hello, this is Robert Vance, and today I want to talk to you about the WordPress Firewall 2 plugin that you can install on your blog. This is a very useful plugin in that it prevents a lot of bad attacks on your WordPress blog. The only problem is it can also cause trouble with some of your plugins that you have installed on your blog. So I wanted to give you some information that will help you in case you're running into problems after you've installed this plugin and you're getting a lot of 404 errors or redirected to the home page and you don't know why. So the two most common causes I've found that cause problems are if you're using this directory traversal in the application parameter. That can cause problems with some of the plugins because when it calls stuff, it tends to, some of the plugins, if they're not written correctly, try to use directory traversals to get to directories when it's trying to access parts of the plugin. So one way is to turn off this check by unchecking that box. The other problem I've found is with plugins that start with WP or WP underscore. This plugin interprets those when you call to their pages as potential SQL injection attacks and will block them. So the other option is to uncheck this box, and then you can select this set security filters, which will turn off those two checks. Now, I'm really not a big fan of turning off security checks, so I tend to leave those on. But further down, you have this area where it will email you in case there is the plugin detects an attack on your site, and it gives you information so that you can keep the protections in place and prevent other people from using it, but still allow you to maintain your blog. So one of the common things to do is to whitelist your IP addresses that you're using so that the plugin doesn't block you from doing stuff you need to do to your blog and getting stuff set up. So you can do that and whitelist the IP addresses. Now, the other problem though is on pages where the plugin calls specific pages, like maybe a eStore plugin calls specific pages, and if it's triggering one of these attack emails, then inside that email it gives you what to put in for the page and the form variables to whitelist that particular page, so that that particular page can be used by other users, because you're not going to want to sit there and whitelist every single one of your customers' IP addresses. That's just unrealistic. It's better to whitelist the actual page that's giving you the issue, and then the issue goes away. So between whitelisting your IP to allow for maintenance and whitelisting pages that are going to be called by your customers or people visiting your blog, it gives you the option to still have the protection on your blog but not interfere with the user experience. And again, the key thing, make sure you have this email turned on so that you can get your email and know what's happening on your blog and being alerted when someone's trying to attack your blog. If you're getting these emails that someone's trying to attack your blog and the information in those emails looks suspicious, then you may want to harden your security for a period of time while those attacks are going on. Make sure you have plugins in place that limit the login attempts and stuff like that. I hope you found this useful. Thanks very much. Have a great day.